Have you ever taken a bite of a raw carrot and suddenly felt your mouth tingle or your throat itch? But then, when you eat cooked carrots, no reaction at all? This happens due to oral allergy syndrome, OAS. Raw carrots contain proteins similar to pollen, especially birch pollen, which can confuse your immune system and trigger an allergic reaction. Your body thinks it's under attack, so it reacts, causing itching, swelling, or tingling in your mouth and throat. But don't worry, it's usually mild. Now here's the cool part. Cooking breaks down those allergy-triggering proteins, making them unrecognizable to your immune system. That's why cooked carrots don't cause the same reaction. If raw carrots give you trouble but cooked ones don't, you're not alone. You can try peeling raw carrots. Some proteins are in the skin. Eat cooked or steamed carrots instead. Talk to an allergist if symptoms get worse. Now you know why raw carrots can cause allergies while cooked ones don't. We hope this video was educational. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the allergy department at Enticare if you have any questions.